Believe it or not, Rafale politics is back in news again. Congress MP Rahul Gandhi and the BJP trading charges again. This is a day after France's National Financial Prosecutor's Office ordered a judicial probe over alleged corruption charges in the Rafale deal. Rahul Gandhi has picked that up to mock Prime Minister Narendra Modi with an Instagram post. Here's the full story.
The ghost of Rafale deal back to haunt Modi government. After a French court orders judicial probe over the charges of corruption and favoritism in the 59,000 crore rupees deal between France and India. Major showdown has erupted back home between Congress and the BJP. Rahul Gandhi, who spearheaded his party's campaign over alleged corruption in the Rafale deal in the run-up to the 2019 polls, has once again launched a fresh attack on Prime Minister. Rahul has put out an image on his Instagram handle mocking the Prime Minister. He also put out a caption, "Chor ki दाढ़ी," meaning thief's beard.
देश को रुचि है कि 570 करोड़ की चीज 1670 में क्यों खरीदी गई? 126 विमान आने थे, सिर्फ 36 क्यों खरीदे गए? इस तरह के जो बातें करते हैं कि दाढ़ी की फोटो क्यों डाल दी, यह और स्पष्ट बता देता है कि वाकई तिनका है, एक नहीं अनेक तिनके हैं.
BJP is furious and calls Rahul's attack a new low. BJP challenged Rahul to fight 2024 elections on Rafale issue.
Again, the Congress is trying to demand JPC probe and raking up the issue. Is nothing but raking up, flogging a dead horse. It shows that they have no issues to fight with Narendra Modi's government.
Rafale is probably one of the few weapons in Congress' hand to take on the Modi government over corruption issue. The campaign backfired in 2019 after Supreme Court gave a clean chit that helped BJP to return to power for the second time with greater majority.
The investigation launched by French authorities in the Rafale deal has brought storm in India. India's main opposition party, Congress, and several others are now demanding the Joint Parliamentary Committee probe in the deal. While the BJP rubbishing the charges, challenging the Congress to battle the next general elections on this issue, Congress continue to escalate attack on the government. With this report in New Delhi with Sanjay Kumar, I'm Ashutosh.